Jmeter, hello. Yes, hi, Tim. So in Jmeter, everyone install, right? So you can, after install the Jmeter, you can go to the folder. Installation means nothing to do for the installation. Just you can, it will come with a zip folder, and after that you can unzip that one. Okay, everyone zipped, right? After that you need to open Jmeter, means go to the Jmeter and click on bin and click on Apache Jmeter. So it will open for the that. Okay. See, that is a open. This is the Jmeter window will be like this, will be there. So now we can record the script to web scripts, means in Jmeter. We need to prepare for the how we recorded in the views and load runner. Same thing we can record, but here will be some prerequisites will be need. So before recording, so you should go to the this is for the predefined template. Just you can click on this, and after that you need to select for the recording. This is the recording. You can select this recording, and after that click on create button, and so give for that, click on create button. So automatically skeleton will open. Actually, Jmeter how will happen means in the test plan. In the test plan, we have the thread group will be there. So in thread group, we need to record for the recording controller. Means what are the scenarios? For example, what are the transactions we have? For example, any banking application will be there, login and withdraw. So what are the transactions will be there? We need to record for here will be recorded. So thread group nothing but is a controller. We need to execute for the number of user point of view. We need to use for the thread group. This is the thread group. So you need to give for the number of users 10 users, and ramp up time you can give is 50 seconds. Okay, and you need to give for the duration of the test, means by second. For 5 minutes you need to execute test, you can give for the 300 seconds. So this will be it is like as a what is this? It is like as a controller. So we can, what is the controller? Nothing but thread group. We can call it as here. Some different will be, terminal will be different. Everything will be same. For going to the recording controller, nothing but is VUSN. We can record the script, means we can, everything will be recorded here. So, and simply this is the HTTP script recorder. You need to record this, means first thing you need to enable this. So using this only we need to start recording. And so once you can click on this, it will show the, it is a port to how much it is showing, 888. So in Jmeter, what will happen means we need to record the script, means it will not invoke like this VUSN. So VUSN, we are, once you can give in the URL, it will automatically invoke, right? But here we need to record the first thing, means you need to click on start recording. So now see here, you can observe root CS certificate Apache Jmeter temper roots if created is a directory is created, it is showing. So you need to go to the root folder, and you can stop recording, no need recording. So you can observe today date is updated, right? You can observe what is the today date. Apache Jmeter root CS certificate 310.22.851, it is a generated. So for this root certificate we need to import in the browser. You can now, you are not imported, recording is not possible for here. So that is why what you can do, you need to record for, you need to import this one. So you need to open for the IE nothing but Internet Explorer. So these are prerequisites for the Jmeter. Before recording, you should be do for the these prerequisites. So once open for the go to the settings and click on Internet options.
There is hiding.
1 minute. Yeah, now it is enabled. Okay. See, it will come for the internet options. After that, content, you can see these certificates. You can click on certificates. Here, trusted root certificate will be there, right? You need to install here. Already I install here. You can see this is the root CS certificate, but you can see 2/15/22 means it is the expired. So no need for this one, means you can remove this one. Now we need to add for the new one. Okay, click on S. So it is a deleted. Now you need to import, means click on import and click on next and browse. It will be there in the root folder, Apache Jmeter in bin. It will be there. This is the current one. So once you can start recording only, it will update it for in bin folder. So you are not click on start recording, it will not update for this one. So once you can click on start recording, it will update it for the today date. And after that, you need to import here. Then click on next and click on next and click on next and click on finish. And see, it is import, click on S, then you can see the import was successfully. Now we can observe, so expire date to how much time it is showing, 3/17/2022. Means every 1 week we should be upload for this one. Maybe you are not uploaded for the fresh one. It is expired, means you need to import for the current one. So every 1 week it will be expired. That is why you need to import for in the root trusted certificate and click on close and click on OK. So now import is completed, right? Now what you can do, you need to record, start recording, means now you can start the recording. So for example, and as into one more thing we miss, and here will be port, how much will be there. So one more thing, port also you need to set for the browser. What is there, doublet will be there. So you need to set for the browser and assume to go to the internet options, and you need to see for the LAN settings, where we can see is connections. LAN settings will be there, right? For here you need to enter for the proxy server. Okay, we'll give for the like local host. We need to give for the proxy. How will give for means local host and colon. What is there? Doublet will be there. We can click on this and OK, and click on OK. Again, you can check it is applied or not. You need to check. This is the important. If it is not applied, right, you are unable to see that. Can check. Okay, it is there, right? So you can. It is then. Okay. So click on OK, and now we need to start recording. So these are the prerequisites. Before you need to record the script. Once you can start recording, you can click means what it means, it will update for that. Okay, root CS certificate, and that root certificate we need to import for the IE in the root trusted certificate. Once import is completed, we need to set the browser in the internet options, and once set the browser, now you need to start recording. You can click on start recording. See, it is asking for the, click on OK, and you need to give for the transaction name. For example, is a transaction name I'm giving for the launch URL. Launch URL. I given for the launch URL. Now you can it will automatically not open for the URL. You can open any one of the this one. Okay, you can open this one, and after that you need to copy and paste it here. Which URL you are doing for the script, you can copy and paste it. For example, we'll do for this 0 account. You can copy this and enter here. Control V, enter. So launching. So launch is done. And after that, what we can do? Login. So you can give for the transaction, name it as a login. Login. Okay, underscore T02 and click on sign in. And click on sign in, done, right? And you need to give for the username and password. I think your name, username, password will be username, and the password will be password only. And click on sign in. Yeah, okay. See, and after that we will go to the here, and you need to everything record in here, recording controller. So now you can observe nothing will be recording. Okay. See, everyone able to see, right? Nothing will be recording, means the proxy is not applicable successfully. That is why we are not unable to recording. So you can stop the recording. Okay. And maybe we can we'll go to this LAN settings. Now we'll give for the local host and everything. Okay. Is showing proxy for all protocols. Okay. Click on OK. Okay. Now we are is given, right? Double triple double localhost we are given, and click on OK. Now we'll try. Okay. Now again you can log out this one. Okay. So now see, if you done for the proxy, means the URL will be not open manually, because you done for the proxy. So the proxy server is not responding, means proxy will be successfully done. Check proxy server localhost www it is showing. Now we can record again. We'll record again. Go to the here and click on start recording and click on OK. And you need to give for the transaction name is a launch. You can give it as a launch. Hello, everyone will be there. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Everyone will be silent and thinking will be there, not there. Okay. Okay, go to here, and again we need to launching. Okay, and zero account launch. Launch is done, right? Now we need to give for the login, and transaction name you need to give it as a login. This. This is very easy to compare to the load runner. So you can learn both tool. It is good for your future in front. So click on sign in. And before click on sign in, we'll see for the code is now also recording or not, you need check. So now you can observe in recording controller, it will be code will be recording. So your recording will be good. Okay. So now you can continue for recording. Then login, right? You need to give for the login name will be user name, and password will be password only. Click on sign in. Okay, sign in done, right? Now we can give it as a logout is the last scenario. Logout is a T03 and click on logout. Okay, so logout done, right? Now our script recording is completed. Just click on stop recording. Now we can go to this script and you need to observe for the in the recording controller and everything will be recorded. For here, what will happen means some junk data will be recorded. So those data we need to remove first thing. So we can click on this, expand this, select this one. So now you can observe this is our URL or not. So our URL, what is our URL? You can observe 0websecurity.com will be there. So you can observe here self events data. So this is not our request. So you can remove this one. Remove. And after that, next request also you need to check it is our URL or not. See, this is also events data microsoft.com one. So this is also not ours. Means in Jmeter, what will happen means what are the things open in your system, everything will be recorded. So those requests no need, right? So you can delete. Now you can observe this one. Now you can see 0websecurity.com. Which one? This one? This is ours. Correct, right? And you can launch this one. You can see this is also 0. This is ours. And you can click on this. Now you can observe this is the URS microsoft.com. This is not ours, this request. You can remove this request. And after that, launch is done. And after that, login. You can see 0. Okay, this is ours. Okay, this is not our request. So we can remove this request. And in the login, you can see this is the 0 bank. It's some hours only. This is also ours. And you can click on this. And this is also ours. And this is also ours. So this is also ours. And next logout. So this is also ours. This is so everything will be our. So now what you can do, can enable this. And now you need to create for the transaction names. So for example, how we can create means you can click on record controller and the sampler transaction controller will be there. Anyone see transaction controller? In thread group, click on this sampler, flow controller.
No, sir.
Yeah, here we can logic controller, it will be the transaction controller. Now you need to add for the how many transactions we have? We have 3, right? You can give for the 3 transaction names. You can add for the 3 transactions. You can click on this and logic controller, add transaction control 1. And one more, you can add and click on logic control, transaction controller. And we have 3 transactions. We have how many transactions we need to give for the one. And now you need to give for the name. First one will be launch. You can give it as a launch URL. And the second one will be login. Control C. You need to give as a login. And third one will be logout. Control C. And you can give it as a transaction name logout. And you can remove this one. This is no need. Okay, we have 3 transactions only, right? You can now this one you need to put in launch. Okay, and login everything you can keep it in login section. Transaction you can keep for that. And last will be logout will be there. You can keep the logout in the logout transaction. So now we are created for the transactions. See what are the transactions we have. Now we can remove this recording controller. Okay, now launch, login, and everything will be there. Now you can select this and click on the generate as a parent sample. And you can select this is the generate sample and you can click on generate sample. And here also you can each request will be you can select as generate as a parent sample because otherwise in results you will not see the correct way. So each and every request you need to give it as a generate request. So generate. generate and generate. So everything you are given, right? Now script will be ready. We can do for like this for the scripting. So we can record the script. What are the transactions will be there? We need to give for the transaction names. Because why we can give for the transaction name means based on the transactions names only, we'll see for the results. Now you can execute. You need to execute means this is the execute button. Start recording. So you can see the results here in view results tree only. You can see the results. Now test is running. You can see launch app and login and log out. So how many, see in thread group, oh, we are given 10 times. So okay, that is why it is executing this many times. So I'm stopping this, stopping. And so you need to clear this means every time you need to click on this is the clear button. Clear. So it will be clear. No need to click this one. It will clear. This also clear button. You can click this means it everything will be clear. So every time we can click on only clear button. This one. And now I'm given for the and we are not giving for the one user only. Okay, ramp up I'm not giving for any seconds. So it immediately. So now again you can execute. This is the execute button, start button, and click on results button, and you can click on start button. And you want should be planned before running. Save it is asking, and okay, and click on this. Now it is a smoke test is going. So launch is happening. Login, logout. So 3 transactions happen. So now we need to check for the same way correlation values. Any dynamic values will be there, not there. So we need to check for the dynamic values. Any values will be there. Okay, can click on this, enter, and see for this. And anything will be there. You need to click on this and check this. Launch, we don't have any values. So go to the login. In the login, you need to see for nothing will be there. See, now you can observe this is the username password. We are entering through keyword these values. That is why what we can do, we can do parameterization, this too. But you can observe this is the user token means this is the dynamic value. So you need to find the dynamic value means you need to copy the dynamic value and go to the in results, and you need to copy and paste it here and click on search. So it will highlighted, right? You can click on that place and go to here, and you need to write for the in this place. Okay, where it is showing for the first occurrence place, you need to write for this place. So now you can search data. See, it will be there in this place. And you want to response data, we need check boundary purpose. This value will be there, not there. You need check. So